You know that moment when a client reads your proposal and just closes the tab? No reply, no talk, nothing, just ghosted. Now the problem is, most freelancers talk about themselves too much. But here's the thing, the best freelancers, they make clients feel understood. And in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the 5 magic phrases that you can use to make clients feel like you get them, making them want to work with you. So if you're ready, grab your notebook, grab your pen and paper, and let's get started. So most freelancers typically start like this. I have 3 years experience, I specialize in XYZ, and I can do this. Sounds good, right? Wrong! These are the common freelancer mistakes that happen in this process. Number 1 is you talk too much about yourself. Unfortunately, the client is not interested in knowing about you yet. Second one is you do not make clients feel heard. So clients hire freelancers that can understand them. And then third is that you're sounding too generic. If you can say, I can help your business grow, but then not saying how, then that's just a little too generic. So if you want to stand out, you need to flip the conversation and make clients feel heard and seen. And here's exactly how. Here are the 5 magic phrases you can use in order to do that. All right, so magic phrase number 1. I noticed a specific detail about your job post. So clients don't want to hire freelancers who just apply. They want freelancers who observe. So instead of opening with, I'm interested in this job post, try this instead. I noticed your recent blog post about email marketing, and I have a quick suggestion on how to boost engagement even more. So this makes them feel that you've already invested time in understanding what they need and also invested time in thinking of idea on how they can succeed even more. Magic phrase number 2. Most businesses in your industry struggle with insert specific pain point, and I can help. This phrase makes clients feel that you understand what's going on, the challenges that are going on in the industry, right? So this showcases that, number 1, you're in the know of what's in the industry. Number 2 is that you have solutions on how to actually help out the pain points that are currently happening in the industry. So for example, if you're talking to a real estate client or a prospect, you can say something like, most real estate agents struggle with generating leads on Facebook, and I can help you fix that with a targeted ad strategy that's also worked for previous clients before. And now they're hooked. You just proved that you know the industry, you know the pain points, and you have a potential solution that can also work for them. All right, phrase number 3. Would you be open to a quick chat about this? So instead of closing off with your generic, let me know if you're interested, what you want to say is, let me know if you're open to having a quick chat about this. The small tweak gets a massive reply because now you're giving them an option to take the next step. And then clients like easy decisions. So if you prove that you understand what's going on, you have a potential idea on how to fix it, giving them the next step of setting up a time with you. Magic phrase number 4. Here's what I do first if we work together. Most freelancers say, I can help you. Again, generic. But the best freelancers, they don't just say it, but they actually show exactly how. Here's a good example. If you're applying for a content manager or a social media manager position, you could say something like, if we started working together, here's what I would do. First, I would audit your current content, find the most engaging posts, and then double down on that strategy. This makes the client start imagining working with you and start getting the benefits of the services that you then provide. All right, so magic phrase number 5, the last one. And arguably, this might be the best one, especially if you're a freelancer that might not have work or experience or a portfolio yet. So here's the magic phrase. I'd love to send you a quick idea to test. So here's what happens, right? Instead of just applying for the position, you are offering value first. And what this does is it builds trust and gets your foot in the door for more opportunities. Again, if you don't have any experience or any case studies or any social proof yet, this is a great way for you to get in the door, give them an idea, something that they can test, something that you can offer for free, to then get your testimonial and build your case studies. So for example, again, instead of a generic application, towards the end of your application or while you're communicating with the client, you want to say something like, I'd love to send you a free idea to test just to see if it helps, if you're open to that. So at the end of the day, what happens here is clients also, it's typically a lower barrier, right? Because they wouldn't want to say no to a free idea, especially if they think it's going to help their business. And this makes clients feel that they're getting somebody with zero risk, which makes it a win-win solution for you and also for them. Again, if you don't have your proof of work, this is a way to get your ideas, to test your ideas, and actually see if you can land a client partnership or land client work by offering your free ideas first, and then see if they can put it into practice, and they might need you down the road to help with the execution of that idea. All right, so here's the challenge for you. What I'd like you to do is start listing out these 5 magic phrases. And whenever you encounter clients in your applications, in your chats with them, try to put them into practice. And then let us know, did it improve your replies? Did you get more offers? Did you get more interviews? Did you keep your clients longer? Let us know in the comments and we read all of them, right? All right, but wait, last bit. If you are starting out as a freelancer with no experience, somewhere in this video or the next one, I'm going to show you how to position yourself as a top freelancer, even if you're just a beginner. So subscribe to the channel, drop the comments, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.